China is facing a severe flood crisis as heavy rain continues to batter several provinces. More than 3,000 people have been evacuated in Hunan province, where some areas saw more than 250 millimeters of rain in one night. The downpours caused landslides, road collapses, and power outages in Sangji, Ximen, Yongshun counties, and Zhangjiajie City.
门头沟区中昂时代广场发洪水了。
哦，操！这年过桥湾这桥你是不进得住啦，要停住啦！
我操！这个水这了我下得难这澳洲这沙城啊，问的就是不能想的。
你干活？我不打了，现在。
The floods have also affected Chongqing City, where at least 8 people have died and thousands have been displaced. The Wuqiao River burst its banks, inundating buildings and trapping residents. President Xi Jinping has warned that all 7 major rivers in China are at risk of flooding and urged more precautions. He also instructed local authorities to ensure the safety of people and property. Meanwhile, Typhoon Saola is approaching the South China Sea and could make landfall in Guangdong province by Friday, bringing more rain and wind to the region. China has been experiencing an unusually wet summer, with floods causing widespread damage and disruption to millions of people.